Nitin stand. Amit stand.
Sit.
जरा मागे
अच्छा, I will come this way.
Everyone playing IPL? Yes. What age group are you playing in?
Under 10.
Who's playing under 10?
Yeah, these two.
And who's playing under 15? Okay. And where do you all come from across Mumbai?
Nitin say.
Rashi.
Nitin.
Kandivali. Everyone knows this ground? Yes. Everyone has been playing here?
Nitin.
Do you know why we've come here today?
Nitin.
Why?
Stand.
To test the what? Correct. To save our ground. I remember when we made this ground.
मोबाइल
We have been protesting for this ground because the government has been deciding that this ground should be taken away from footballers. And they want to make a building like that here. Would you all like that? No! Can we play on the building? No! On top of the tennis?
जोर से आवाज दो
The moment we have our concrete buildings coming up on our playgrounds, that is where the problem lies. When we were children, when we were your age, we used to have many open spaces that were not yet taken away by buildings. Slowly we saw that there were lots that were reserved for buildings that were taken away, especially this reclamation was always free. यहाँ कुछ नहीं थी, सिर्फ जमीन थी. You used to have a jumbo circus coming here, all of this here. And suddenly you have these lots being given away to people for different uses. We don't mind people using it when the uses are appropriate. As long as you keep our grounds for our children. You tell me today you are 10 years old, 12 years old, 14 years old, 15 years old, whatever. In the next 5 years, if you have grounds like these taken away from you, where will you play? On the beach. But in Warsaw, they're taking away the beach also. They're making a bridge there.
Yes.
That is another problem. They're cutting trees, they're concretizing our lakes, they're concretizing our playgrounds, they're taking away everything that is meant for nature and for living things.
Yes.
We are not asking for anything new, we are not asking for anything more. Our demand to the mayor, that mayor on that holding, Mrs. Gowde, and to the Chief Minister and to the Prime Minister is that let our grounds be open to kids. Correct? That's our basic demand. I remember when we were making this ground, we faced a lot of challenges here. बहुत सारी difficulties को face किया हमने. यहाँ जब हम ये artificial turf लगा रहे थे, बाजू में कोई था, उन्होंने कभी पकड़ी लाई, खाती नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं, खाने के लिए नहीं है, ये artificial grass है. कभी वहाँ पीछे की दीवार टूटती थी, कभी यहाँ रास्ता नहीं हुआ करता था. 2016-17 में जब हमने ग्राउंड बनाया तब यहाँ कुछ नहीं था, बाजू के प्लॉट में भी कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा था, उधर कुछ नहीं था. आणि असं सगळं करत मला आपण आता फायनली ग्राउंड बनवलेलं आहे. गेली 10 वर्ष आपण सगळे खेळत आहोत. वेगवेगळे एज ग्रुप्स खेळतात, नॅशनल प्लेयर्स पासून ग्रासरूट्सपर्यंत आपण इथे कार्यक्रम ऑर्गनाईज करतो. मला वाटतं आपण सगळे हेच सीएमला सांगितलं पाहिजे, हेच महापौरांना सांगितलं पाहिजे, कन्व्हेन्शन सेंटर बनवायचं तर कुठेही बनवा, पण आमचं नेव्ही दिस इज अ ग्राउंड सोडा. अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग फॅसिट ऑफ दिस ग्राउंड इज दॅट दिस ग्राउंड वॉज नेम्ड after a very big footballer. Do you know his name? Nevin D'Souza. Can you tell me what he has done?
He was the first Olympian player to Indian player to score.
Exactly. Sorry?
His son
I know his son is here. We'll get him right after. So, if we have places named after such big people, if we have grounds which have been opened and maintained for little kids, why take this up? In fact, over the last 10 years, I've had many offers from many companies saying ये ग्राउंड हमें दे दो, लीज पे दे दो, हम आपको पैसा देंगे, MFA को पैसा देंगे, टाइम शेयर करेंगे. और मैंने कहा था कभी नहीं दूंगा क्योंकि ये ग्राउंड हमारे बच्चों का है, हमारे प्लेयर्स का है और ये ग्राउंड मैं बेच नहीं सकता. Unfortunately today, we are fighting for this very ground. I don't want the kids to do anything else. I don't want the kids to become political. I don't want the kids to raise a voice. I only want the kids and all footballers here. Because I don't see you as little kids, I see you as promising footballers. I see you as future players. How many of you want to play football ahead? Right? But for which team will you play?
India.
In the FIFA World Cup? And if we don't have grounds, how will we reach there? That's the problem. Today, the reason why we don't reach those stages is because our players don't get enough opportunities and enough access to infrastructure. If you see any country that is playing the World Cup today, they have grounds in their neighborhood, they have grounds which are openly available, they have grounds which are freely available. I think all we need to ask from our government is, don't give us another ground, just let this ground be with football and Mumbai Football Association. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
So can we all come together and tell the government, leave this ground for us? Yes. Let's do that. I think all footballers, all of us, girls, boys, men, women, players, ex-players, referees, coaches, if we come together, our voice will definitely be heard. Thank you for coming here today, and I think this is the unity of Mumbai football that we should keep for future success. Hopefully for seeing some of you in the Indian football team and playing at the international level. But let's start from saving this ground. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
We have our coordinator of this 102.